彻底为我们分享希腊地产的新机遇。麻烦经理做翻译。
Hello, everybody. Lily, thank you very much for the introduction. I'd like to thank all of you today for being here with us. And I'd like to state how happy I am that the epicenter of this summit seems to be the Greek real estate market, which we're here to talk to you about.
就是说他非常的开心来到中国广州，也感谢海博的邀请。那他接下来的话会和大家分享一下希腊房地产投资的市场和现状。
So I'm sure you're all very familiar with Greece and why Greece is such an important center for investment at the moment and why it poses such a great opportunity for each and every one of you guys.
那现在要开始分享为什么要去投资希腊。
Greece is in the European Union. It is currently in the Schengen area.
那么希腊的话，它是欧盟成员国，也是申根区。
It has a very, very strong tourism sector.
它的旅游业非常发达。
And it offers a Mediterranean lifestyle along with safety and a great standard of living.
而且呢，它有非常美好的这种地中海生活，非常的安全宜居。
Greece has also shown resilience in past challenges in the past years.
这些数据是显示了希腊过去几年的一些这个繁荣发展的一些事实。
And unlike the past, we are showing strong economic growth above the EU zone average.
那他来会跟大家分享一下2025年的整个一个房地产市场。
This happens also because of some policies implemented by the Greek government, such as relieving the VAT tax from property purchases.
那这些的话得益于希腊政府以及它的法律、税务等的一个政策环境。
In addition to this measure, capital gains when purchasing property are also alleviated indefinitely. The capital gain tax, there's no capital gain tax for purchasing and selling property as an individual.
去在希腊买房是没有这个盈利税的，就是买价和卖价差出的差额是不用额外缴税的。
We are focusing on this because one of the key pylons of Greece's growth is the real estate market.
现在这个市场的繁荣发展
The financial growth is based on the real estate market.
现在的整个就是房地产市场发展都基于希腊的经济环境越来越好。
What we are seeing with the Greek real estate market, and evident to what we were saying before, is also the limitations and restrictions being implemented in the short-term rental market.
还有一个很重要的信息和大家分享，就是现在希腊房地产限制 Airbnb 的一个牌照的发放。
This is happening because the demand in long-term rental properties is so strong that we need more properties in the market.
为什么希腊政府会出台相关的政策呢？就是因为在当地长租市场的需求越来越多，越来越大。
You can see here that all the areas of Athens in red are prohibited from issuing new short-term rental licenses.
您可以看到，在地图上面红色区域它现在是已经限制不可以进行新的 Airbnb 牌照的申请了。
So you will ask, what remains as a plausible and feasible investment opportunity in Greece at the moment?
您可能会关心，那我们现在还可以投资希腊地产的哪些方面呢？
We are seeing a steady increase in the demand of luxury apartments in Athens and around.
那除了其实雅典以外，还有很多的小岛上也可以进行投资。
As you can understand, the demand is high also for the coastal areas of the city.
而且还有很多需求是在海岸线沿线。
Listed historical properties are also a niche that needs to be looked into.
还有一部分就是我们国家受保护的建筑，还有历史的这种建筑。
Of course, as you can see by the multiple investments by large hotel and touristic brands, hotels, small, large, you name it, are the epicenter of investment at the moment.
当然还有酒店相关的一些投资。
And we have a strong growth in new build developments, mainly residential.
有一个很强，就是非常强大的一个增长是在新建的这种建筑上面。
The Greek Golden Visa program, which I'm sure you're all aware of, has been a great driver of this growth for the Greek real estate market. Sorry, I'm saying that the Greek Golden Visa program has been a main driver for the increase in the Greek real estate market.
还有就是黄金签证的这个政策，其实也是让希腊房地产价格上涨的重要原因之一。
As I'm sure you know, in Central or Northern Europe, when you're purchasing a residential property, 90% almost of all purchases are with bank funding. The purchases in Central and Northern Europe are mainly with bank funding.
Okay.
In Greece, only 12% are with the bank funding.
在北欧其实有90%的这个购房它都是通过向银行贷款进行去这个购买的。但是在希腊现象非常有意思，只有12%的人去向银行贷款，然后进行买房。
This is a strong indicator to why and how people are trusting their hard-earned cash and investing it in the Greek real estate market.
这就是一个很强的现象，表明为什么大家都愿意用现金，而且用现金去投资希腊的房地产。
As you know, the Greek Golden Visa program allows for one's family to live the dream of a European life.
因为像您所知道的，咱们的这个黄金签证政策可以让全家3代人都一步到位拿到永居身份。
The market has remained strong despite all the changes in the rules and regulations that have happened in the past 3 years.
在过去的3年，整个房地产市场的表现是非常强劲的。
And the property prices are increasing with a steady pace.
整个房地产的房价是在持续稳定的上涨。
On average, we are seeing for the past 5 years an increase of around 10% per year.
在过去的5年中，几乎达到了每年10%的一个涨幅。
And rental yields are at an all-time high.
整个的租金的回报率一直都非常高。
The current political stability has helped a lot with that.
这也得益于希腊当局的一个稳定的政治经商环境。
We have a pro-business government aiding investors in putting their money in Greece and making the processes easier with rapid digitization of the whole process.
而且希腊政府不断的在优化整个投资的流程包括电子化等等。
This is evident also with the upgrade of Greece's credit rating to investment grade by all the major agencies. All the major investment agencies have rated Greece investment grade after 10 years.
像国际的一些重要的投资评级机构也开始进入到希腊，并且给希腊一个正向的信用评级。
And note this, rolling back to what we said earlier about the high rental yields, even JP Morgan came out last month and said that rental yields in Greece are very high and that people should invest in rentals.
除了很多银行给出了这样的投资报告分析之外，像上个月的话 ，JP Morgan 也在它的投资市场分析中指出这一点。
In general, I have to say that we forecast steady growth in the Greek real estate market. We see that steady growth is coming in the next years in the Greek real estate market, and more systemic investors are trusting the Greek real estate market as the yields are higher than the rest of Europe and the prices are lower.
那整个的话都是回归到希腊房地产市场它的一个持续稳定性，并且在未来也同样有这样的预测，所以也吸引了很多的外国投资者进入到希腊的房地产市场上面，因为它的整个的一个回报率是真的相当高。
Keep in mind, Chinese investment has been very crucial to this economic growth and the sustained growth in the Greek real estate market.
那么中国投资者其实对希腊的 起到了至关重要的作用。
We have major systemic investments, such as the one that Costco has done with the Greek port of Piraeus.
像我们众所周知的中国远洋集团投资了希腊的比雷厄斯港口，
turning it into one of the major hubs for shipping in the southeast Mediterranean.
在整个地中海都让比雷厄斯港口成为重要的这个港口之一。
improving productivity and efficiency.
然后现在他们就是非常的活跃。
Keep in mind also that regarding the Greek Golden Visa program, Chinese investors take up more than 50% of the space in the investments.
还有一个关键的信息的话，就是在我们黄金签证的申请者中超过50%是我们中国投资者。
So, closing this whole presentation, I want you to remember this. Now is the time to invest in Greece.
那在最后总结一下，其实他所有整个今天的分享中，最想和大家说的就是一定要当下进行一个投资。
You'll ask why. We've seen 3 changes in regulation in the past years.
为什么呢？为什么说时机非常的重要呢？因为在过去的这几年中，希腊的黄金签证政策已经改变过2次。
The Greek Golden Visa program is by far the most attractive one available, with the lowest entry point at 250,000.
现在希腊黄金签证政策也是非常具有吸引力，最低的价格25万欧就可以进入欧盟的一个政策。
And we have seen that other European countries have cancelled their program, and the EU is always pushing for Greece also to cancel its own program.
因为其他的欧盟成员国已经停止了这个购房的黄金签证政策，而且一直希腊政府也是受到欧盟的政府压力。
So we really don't know how much time we have left with this opportunity.
所以我们也真的不知道还有多久这个黄金签证政策可以持续。
So act now and get your golden visa.
所以现在就要做选择包括为您的客户去申请黄金签证。
Thank you very much for your attention. Pleasure to be here and thank you for having us.
好的，谢谢，以上就是我的分享，谢谢大家。
Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
George. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. 谢谢。
政策与机遇交叠，数据与案例共鸣。感谢。